Want to sell products in bulk or offer discounted pricing for resellers? In this video, I will show you exactly how to add wholesale functionality to your Shopify store. Even if you are a beginner, let's get started. First of all, why add wholesale to Shopify? Adding wholesale allows you to sell to retailers or B2B clients, offer special pricing and quantity breaks, increase order size and profit, manage B2C and B2B from one store. There are a few ways to do it. Let's look at the best method. The easiest method, use a wholesale app. So, first of all, go to shopify.com. Now, sign into your account with your login credentials. Once you are in, click the apps section, then click app and sales channel settings. Now click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search for wholesale. I recommend Wholesale Beer, Wholesale Gorilla, Wholesale Club by Orbit, and B2B and Wholesale Solution. For this tutorial, let's use wholesale beer as a beginner friendly option. Search for beer. Now click install. The app will automatically connect to your store. Inside the app, click install. Now, once you are in, click on create a new discount rule and select your plan. Now, create a new discount rule, example buy 10 or more get 20% off. Choose which products it applies to. Set pricing tiers like 5 plus 10 plus 15 50 plus. Set tag based access, only customers with a tag like wholesale will see discounted prices. Go to the customers tab, then click customer and add a tag called wholesale. Now, when that user logs in, they will see wholesale pricing. You can even create a wholesale registration page using Shopify form or third-party tools like Typeform or Hulk Form Builder. Optional, separate wholesale store font. Use Shopify's expansion store feature, Shopify Plus, or duplicate your store and password protect the wholesale version. Add manual approval for access. This is better for large scale operations and our advanced B2B. Offer net terms. or manual invoicing. Some apps support this. Use apps for wholesale shipping rates include MOQ settings for minimum order quantity. Provide a wholesale catalog PDF. Use email automation to follow up with wholesale leads. So now let's talk about B2B solution. Open the app. Now click uh, choose a plan or don't show me again. Now scroll down or click complete the setup guide, like enable embed block. And now you can add some code from here. You can change the language from here, like Japanese, German, it is. Scroll down and from here click B2B pricing. Follow the process. Click, click on advanced plan. Choose a plan from here. It starts from $25 per month. You can start a free trial for 14 days. For essentials, all features, all features auto tags, basic features of registration forms, basic features of quantity break, lifetime support. For advanced, all features to auto tags, most features of registration forms, etc. So that's how you add a full wholesale system to your Shopify store in just a few steps. Just uh, use this app like B2B and wholesale beer for bulk discount. Whether you are selling whether you are selling to both quiz retailers or retail resellers, this setup helps you scale first. If you want a tutorial on creating private pricing pages, discount codes, or setting up Shopify Plus B2B features, let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.